How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to set up a 2FA or a two-factor authentication setting for your Binance account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and assuming that it's your guys' first time using crypto, then you should know that security is paramount when it comes to cryptocurrency. And the reason that you may want to set a 2FA configuration for your account in the first place is because there are a lot of hackers out there in the blockchain scene. So if you guys want to protect your account, having a 2FA setup would be ideal. Now, a good example would be should an event where your account gets compromised, like let's say your wallet address got leaked or your login credentials got leaked, and someone was able to extract that information, and their first instinct would be to log in, right? But they won't be getting past the login page if they don't have the encrypted codes that you would normally be getting when you have a 2FA setup. So that's as far as they're going to go. They won't be able to log in your account. Only you have the means to log into your Binance account. So to actually set it up is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to log into your Binance account as an administrator. So once you guys are here, there are two options to actually access the account setting, which we're looking to get to because that's where the security tab is. So you could either navigate to the left-hand side of your dashboard, like so, and click on account. And when you guys click on the drop down, there should be an option that says security. So you can simply click on this, or you could click on your profile icon in the top right, like so, and then click on account, and this should take you to the same page. But anyway, let's actually do it the easy way and just click on security. So here we are. Now, once you guys are here, you'll see right away that the option for 2FA is right here on your screen, and all you have to do to enable it is click on this button right here to authenticate. So this is going to redirect you to a page, and you simply want to enable Authenticator app. Now you have a couple of different options like Google Authenticator or Binance Authenticator. So whatever works for you should do just fine. And yeah, that's how we guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.